Hi Snapshot Tech Tips. I need your help creating a partition on my C drive to use for backups. I only have the C drive available right now, and I'd like to create a new partition that's 10 GB. Any advice would be appreciated, thanks.
In the disk management window, you can right-click on the C drive box to open the Shrink Volume menu. Once you select the Shrink Volume menu, a small window appears, querying the available shrink space. Once it finishes, the Shrink Volume window will be displayed with all necessary details. Simply enter 10,000 megabytes in the amount of space to shrink. And then click on Shrink button to proceed. The newly created 9.77 GB unallocated space won't be usable immediately. It is normal that you won't get exactly 10 GB due to system limitations. Right-click on this unallocated space to select the new Simple Volume menu. The new Simply Volume wizard appears. It will ask you to specify the volume size, but you can leave it at default value. Assigning a drive letter for easy identification is a good idea. Next, you can choose the file system. It is recommended to choose NTFS for this partition. You should also give the volume a label for easy identification. Optionally, you can perform a quick format for drive E. Then click Next and finally click on Finish. If you find this tutorial video is useful, go ahead to subscribe, thumb up and share this to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.